Operation Chill begins now.
Guys, this is a 2-minute setup.
I told him to fish quietly, not to become the bait.
First catch of the day, and it only took 3 hours, 1 emotional breakdown, and 1 ruined friendship.
It blinked at me. Why did it blink?
Because it knows. It knows you scream like a squirrel. Priceless. That's going on the thumbnail.
Wrong catch.
Okay, if you're watching this, tell my mom I tried. I brought trail mix. I brought a knife. I forgot toilet paper.
I came here for peace. Got turned into a buffet for flying needles instead.
Good morning from hell. Nature's version of group therapy, except everyone's a tree and still more emotionally available than my ex.